2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, bucket seats. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.